Hello, and welcome to Camera Time. I'm your host, Marissa, and this is our very first show. We will be going over how to set up a camera and the materials needed. We will be going over the different buttons on the camera and the benefits to you and society. All right, let's get started. There's different parts of the camera that you have. This is the base of the camera shown there. It's where all the buttons and all the functions are. Then there are different lenses that you have. There's different sizes of lenses. Like this one is one that you use when you're taking a close-up photo. And then this one is if you're about 5 yards away from what you want to take a picture of. Then we have the battery, like the battery that goes in, and then the battery charger that just plugs right into the wall. And we have the SD card that all the pictures are on. There's a few other things that you can use when you're taking a picture, like the shutter release button or a tripod if you want to stabilize the camera as you're taking a picture. Now on to the different buttons. If you look at this camera, there have a lot of different buttons, and when you look at it, you probably don't know what they all do. I'll show you. When you put in the battery in, you just put it in and it clicks right in. You hear the click. And the SD card also goes in this place. When you turn it, this is the button to turn it on. And it'll turn on for you. And so we have this dial here. This dial is for the different pictures you want to take. So they have there's a video button and a close-up button and action button if you're taking a picture of somebody doing sports. And they have, so if you were doing just a regular manual mode, then there would be the AF button, which probably nobody knows what it is, but it's the aperture button. And that is how fast the camera takes the picture. And then there's an ISO button that it depends what your lighting is. If you have darker or lighter, you change that. And then on the lenses, they have different buttons for autofocus and manual focus. So if you want to just take a picture and have the camera do all the work for you, you would put it on autofocus. And if you wanted to do the work and it wasn't focusing on what you wanted, then you would switch it over to manual focus. Now the benefits of actually using the camera. According to BBC News, they found 5 different reasons why it's beneficial. And one of the reasons was it records, it's like a documentative thing throughout time. So if you take a picture, then you'll have that picture for later on, and you get to look at your memories and just see where you've gone. Now to recap, we went over how to set up the camera and the different things needed, what different buttons do on the camera, and the benefits to you. Now that you are able to use a camera, you'll be able to take great pictures. Thank you.